Ever wondered what YouTube impressions really mean? Let's break it down simply. Every time your video's thumbnail shows up on someone's screen, whether it's on the homepage, search results, or as a suggested video, that's called an impression. Keep in mind, impressions don't mean someone clicked to watch your video. It's just that they saw the thumbnail. Impressions are crucial because they tell you how well YouTube is promoting your content. The better your thumbnail and title, the more clicks you'll get. So, focus on making them eye-catching. Now you know what impressions are. Hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tips. Impressions on YouTube matter because they show how often your video is being shown to potential viewers. More impressions mean more chances for clicks and audience growth, especially if your thumbnail and title are compelling. To increase impressions, focus on optimizing your content for YouTube's algorithm. Use strong keywords, upload consistently, and create thumbnails that grab attention. In conclusion, impressions are the foundation of visibility on YouTube. The better your content and presentation, the more YouTube will promote your videos to a wider audience. If you like this type of content, do remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. You have been awesome. Thanks for watching.